Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video for you guys. I know it's been a long time, but we're here now, so let's just focus on that. For those of you who are new here, my name is Kaylee. I'll be doing an updated curly hair routine for you guys though. As you can see, I have cut my hair since we have last seen each other, and I definitely do my hair a little bit differently. I use some different products, different brush, literally the whole nine. It's just different. So I decided to go ahead and film a new updated routine for you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what changes have been made, what's new here, keep on watching. So I'm just gonna start by thoroughly wetting my hair. Once my hair is entirely saturated, I'm going to go in with my Black Vanilla Sulfate-free shampoo. I'm going to really focus the product on my scalp. And then let the rest of the product rinse down throughout the rest of my hair. Once all of the product has been washed out of my hair, I'm just going to wring out the remaining water. Then I'm going to get a generous amount of my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. This stuff is amazing. For the application of my conditioner, I like to finger comb. Again, I really like to start working the conditioner into the ends of my hair and working my way up. Once I have the conditioner throughout my whole head of hair, I like to let it sit for a good amount of time, and while I'm doing so, I wash my body and shave my legs. And then I'm going to go in with a wide tooth comb and start detangling. I prefer to rinse out the majority of my conditioner, but I like to leave a little bit in just because it makes sure that my hair doesn't get tangly and it's easy to work with and manageable once I get out of the shower. Because I'm not a big fan of dripping wet hair, I like to put my hair in this little bun for the time being. So, hello guys, this is me on the other side of things. As you can see, my hair is in this little bun that we left off with. I don't like to towel dry my hair because I find that I really get the best results if I just have my hair as wet as possible when I'm doing it and then let it dry. We have clean hair to start out with, and it's already pretty detangled. There's a little bit of conditioner in here, but well, now that I'm like 5 minutes into the video and my video decided to cut off, so here we are backtracking on what was already recorded. So I don't like my hair to be towel dried at all. I'm not a fan. I like my hair to be as wet as possible when I'm doing it, because I just get the best results. We're just gonna pick up from there, okay? Okay. Well, first things first, I'm gonna go in with this Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. Looks like this, sis. Yes. I've been using this literally since like middle school. It's like one of the first, not the first. one of the first like curly hair products that I used, and I used it like for a really long time, probably like 3 years straight, just this product. Nowadays I don't really like to use this all over my hair, but I really like to use it in like the ends of my hair, so we're gonna do that. I just like to rake it through the ends. I find that it helps me get all the tangles out that may be in my hair, and it's really conditioning for like the ends of my hair. The ends of my hair are the driest part of my hair, so I like to put a leave-in conditioner in this part of my hair. I'm gonna go in with my Carol's Daughter Hair Melon Balm. Y'all know I love this stuff. Literally the best ever. Get a little bit of this and put it throughout my entire head of hair. Since my last videos, I have cut my hair into some layers, so I don't do my hair quite the same way. It's actually a lot easier, and I like the way it comes out better. I love this haircut. Sis, if you got curly hair, you know the struggle. Just to make sure that the product is dispersed evenly. Yeah, dispersed is the word I'm looking for. I'm gonna go in with my Cantu denman like brush thing. Looks like this, sis. If you're looking for a cheap denman brush, go to Target. She's cheap. I'm gonna start at the end and work my way up. Yes. Yes. And it really just like glides through my curls. It's the best thing ever. It like clumps them so nicely and detangles really well, and it makes my hair shiny. So sis, if you are not using a denman brush or something like it, what are you doing? Get yourself one. It's literally life-changing. Now that my hair is detangled and I have some product in my hair, I am going to part it half up, half down. I still do the same part situation, so I'm gonna go do that. I'll be right back. Does anyone else make like the weirdest faces while they're doing their hair? Because yo, I don't know. If not, I don't know what's wrong with me, because I can't. Hello, lady. I see you. So I'm gonna do this next part off camera because I really just can't. I can't. I'm just gonna make a middle part though, right down the middle. I've been wearing my hair in the middle recently, and yeah, so BRB. How cute am I? Just gonna do the same thing that I was doing for the rest of my hair on these two sections, and the whole time I'm using this hair milk just for reference. So now I'm really just going to put a little bit more product, literally like not a lot at all, just a small amount, like a dime size, through my whole head. And you see I have like these layers going on here. So yeah, I just kind of like pick a portion of my layers and comb through. That's it. That's all I do. Comb through, let it go. Comb through, let it go. And yeah, so we're gonna do that for the rest of this side of the head. We have like these little baby hairs here. I do the same thing. I literally just comb through. Sometimes I like to like make the portions a little smaller Like, that's perfect. And just comb through. And it like clumps my curls together perfectly. And then for these ones, same thing. Literally so easy. And that's it. That's it. I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did on this side to this side of my hair, and then I'll come back once it's all finished and show you guys kind of like the finishing touches I do to my hair. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the gist of like how I do my curls. And yeah, so I'll be right back. I don't really have anything going on today, so I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. I'll come back to you guys in a few hours, show you guys the finished products. That is the finished product, and yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.